Here's how to turn on music haptics on iPhone. So in this short tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can turn on music haptics on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So just to show you, I'm on iOS 18 and you have that feature when you get iOS 18. If you're below iOS 18, I'm sorry, but you cannot use this feature. So if you're on iOS 18, good for you. What you need to do basically is just go to settings. And once you're inside settings here, as you can see, you just need to search it up, or you can go manually by just going to accessibility, and here right next to general, just basically press on accessibility, and here you'll be able to find music haptics right over here. But if you can't find it, you can just go ahead and simply search it up just like that, and it will bring you right over here. So here, as you can see, my music haptics is turned off, but you just gotta turn it on just like that, and it will show you all the available apps. It's only available for music, settings, and Shazam. So if Apple Music is available in your country, go ahead and you can use music haptics, and that's it. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can turn on music haptics on iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.